A federal grand jury in Charlotte has returned a criminal indictment against 48-year-old Michelle Wilshire of Hickory, charging her with multiple counts of wire fraud, tax fraud, and money laundering. She is charged with embezzling more than $900,000 from her employer. The announcement was made yesterday by Dina J. King, U.S. Attorney for the Western District of North Carolina. According to allegations in the indictment, from 2016 to 2021, Wilshire was employed by a family-owned business located in Conover. During the relevant time, Wilshire was in charge of the company's ComData account, a third-party payment processing and debit card issuing service, which the company used for fleet management and payment services for its drivers. The indictment alleges that Wilshire executed a scheme to defraud her employer by issuing multiple ComData prepaid debit cards in her name and in the names of other individuals, including former employees, fictitious employees, and current employees who were not aware the cards existed. In addition to the debit card scheme, Wilshire allegedly embezzled funds using ComData's ComCheck and ComCheck mobile services. She would issue checks in the defendant's name and make multiple wire transfers into Wilshire's personal bank account using those services. According to allegations in the indictment, Wilshire also prepared and filed individual income tax returns for tax years 2017 through 2021, which did not include the additional funds Wilshire received through her embezzlement scheme. Wilshire is charged with 6 counts of wire fraud, which carry a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison and a $250,000 fine per count, 5 counts of making and subscribing a false tax return, which carry a statutory maximum term of 1 year in prison per count, and 2 counts of money laundering, which carry a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison and a $500,000 fine or twice the value of the property involved in the transaction. Wilshire's initial court appearance in Charlotte is scheduled for August 29th at 10:15 a.m. You can get more details on this case by going to this story at our website, WHKY.com. Reporting from Catawba County for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.